If you want to learn how to make this delicious chocolate vegan shake, then keep watching this video. Hi guys, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. I can sing, I know it. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious chocolate vegan milkshake. This is perfect to satisfy your sweet craving. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to use is 1 cup of nut milk, and you could use any nut milk that you choose. I am using almond milk, so 1 cup of that. Use half of a teaspoon of chia seeds, half of a teaspoon of cacao powder. I'm going to be using my Ben & Jerry's fudge chocolate brownie, which is non-dairy. Absolutely delicious. That's what's gonna give this the delicious flavor. All right, and it's nothing crazy, nothing to it. That's it. That's all the ingredients that we're going to need. This is what it looks like. I'm blending this up now. It's time to pour our delicious vegan chocolate milkshake. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Woo! OMG. Yes, indeedy. Look at that. I know you want some. I'm just going to get my cacao nibs and just add a few on top. And that's how easy it is to make a vegan chocolate milkshake. And this is going to satisfy that sweet chocolate craving that you're going to have. Don't forget to watch the outtakes. That's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Check out some of these other videos as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that little button that says subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit the bell so you won't miss another video. All right, I'll see you guys next time. And what? Stay healthy. This is the Tom and Jerry fudge brownie non-dairy frozen dessert. So
it's Ben & Jerry, not Tom and Jerry.
What? I said Tom and Jerry?
Yeah.
Shout out to my husband in the background who's always paying attention. Okay guys, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it, and this is the perfect vegan chocolate smoothie for all my chocolate lovers out there. So let's blend it up. Oh, first of all, why don't I plug it in?